Lingportal Online School presents.
Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I spoke English better? If only I had started learning English earlier. We all have wishes. We all imagine different versions of ourselves. Better, braver, more fluent. And grammar, yes, even grammar, can help us say those deep emotional things. Wish, if only, and the emotions behind them, not just grammar. Today, let's talk about those little words with big meanings. Wish and its close friend, if only. Not just rules, real life, real feelings. Meet Tom. He's having a rather frustrating day and making a lot of wishes. Wish about the present. Regrets about what is true now. Tom is a bit upset about his progress in learning English and says, I wish I knew more English. Tom doesn't know much now, and he doesn't feel happy about it. If only my pronunciation were better. Tom's pronunciation isn't great now, and he feels bad about it. The meaning refers to the present, not the past. When we use wish or if only about the present, we often talk about something we don't like now, something we want to be different. Memorize the formula, wish or if only, plus past simple. Did you notice? We use past tense, but we're talking about the present. Why? Because it's unreal. It's in our imagination. Like a parallel version of you. A version that speaks confidently, understands jokes, dreams in English. Wish about the past, regrets about what already happened. Sometimes Tom feels sad about the past and says, I wish I had started learning English earlier. But he didn't. If only I hadn't been so shy in class. But he was. Tom wishes he could change the past, but he can't. Still, grammar gives us words for these feelings. When we use wish or if only about the past, we are usually talking about something we would have liked to be different in the past. Memorize the formula, wish or if only plus past perfect. We use the past perfect because we're talking about a past situation that is completely finished. These are the moments we carry in our memory. We can't use just the past simple because that would refer to a real event in the past, but wish is about something unreal or imagined. Wish about the future, hopes or frustrations about what might change. Tom also uses wish for things in the future that he can't control. I wish my teacher would speak slower. He wants this to change in the future. I wish it would stop raining so I can go to class. He's annoyed. He wants something different. It's like saying, I hope, but stronger, more emotional. We use wish plus would when we're a bit frustrated or dreaming, wishing for a better moment to come. Memorize the formula. Wish plus would. Wishes about ability. Now Tom looks at his friend Lucy. I wish I could play the guitar like her. He's talking about things he'd like to be able to do. We use could when we want to do something, but can't. It's about ability. Memorize the formula. Wish or if only plus could. Then Lucy starts singing loudly while Tom's trying to read. I wish she wouldn't sing so loudly. Wish about the future. Summary. Do you see? These small grammar pieces, wish, if only, they hold so much emotion, regret, hope, desire. Grammar is not just about being correct. It's about being real human, not perfect, but full of dreams. It's about expressing yourself clearly, deeply, truly. So the next time you say, "I wish I spoke better English," feel connected to millions of people who also wish, hope, and learn just like you. And if only more people knew that, maybe they'd love grammar a little more. Mini quiz. Choose the correct form. It's cold. I wish I had a coat. I failed the test. I wish I had studied more. My neighbour plays music every night. I wish he wouldn't be so noisy. Well done. Keep learning, keep feeling, and never stop wishing, in English and from the heart. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your English. See you soon.